Hello. I want to give a quick life update because I don't know if you guys noticed, but actually a few weeks ago I started posting consistently on Fridays. Like every single Friday I'm posting a video. And this week I realized I'm not able to publish any video, so I just wanted to give a quick life update on what's going on. So, since like 5 years, I've been struggling with a lot of digestive issues. Especially like probably with my gut, to be honest, with my gut and stomach. So I'm feeling bloated all the time. I'm constantly very like tired, even though I'm getting good sleep. Like I'm getting 9 hours of sleep every single day. And my sleep like quality is good. I've been using Whoop for over a year right now and I'm tracking my sleep. So sleep is not the issue, but I'm feeling constantly tired. And I am always like bloated like every single day, and I'm experiencing a lot of stomach ache and a lot of these issues. And I've been going to the doctor every single year to get check on my stomach and my gut and etc. But so far they always like prescribed meds to me and they just like sent me back. And one time I've done an endoscopy and we found out that my basically stomach had, what is that, like increased acidity or something, and I had some stomach issues, and we thought we fixed it, but then my symptoms never went away, like bloating, fatigue, stomach pain, and I thought I was lactose intolerant. And then I got a basically test to see whether I have lactose intolerant, but turns out I don't have a lactose intolerance. So we were like really unsure about what is going on. And we questioned IBS, which is like irregular bowel syndrome or something. And recently, basically like a few days ago, I've done a blood test as well as, what is the name of it? Like what is a medical name of it? Poop test? Whatever. And the results are not that good. And then we started the question of the celiac disease, like the gluten tolerance thingy, as well as the Crohn's disease. And I got some test results showing that I am probably not I don't probably have a celiac disease. But still, the question remains for the Crohn's disease and other possible options. So I have like ultrasonic thingy scheduled, as well as colonoscopy, as well as endoscopy. I have so many tests to take, like to get done at a hospital. And for a few days, I've been just like emotionally trying to accept the fact that I might have Crohn's disease. Like, by the way, like, we don't know yet. I might not have Crohn's disease at all, but like this thing really occupied my head. And I've been thinking, like, oh, if I have Crohn's disease, there's no cure for it. It's like a lifelong disease. And I literally went through the 5 stages of like grief almost. And I was quite maybe dramatic about it. And I was feeling so down about it. And for the last few days, like, I literally didn't do anything. I just chilled. So I'm waiting for the test results. I don't know whether I will update you guys, to be honest. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. But that's basically the reason. So take care of your health, guys. And sometimes, and also, by the way, the one message I want to share, if I want to like share one message from this video, I went to the same doctor for 4 years and he didn't take me seriously. And the moment I changed my doctor, he just basically asked me to do a bunch of tests, and we now get a lot of results that indicating that there might be something underlying. That's like, if someone is struggling with bloating, fatigue, and stomach pain for 4 years, why didn't you ask me to get like some blood tests done and other stuff? Like, why? I'm so angry at my old doctor, by the way, but I love my new doctor. So anyway, so if you're struggling with your like health issues and if your doctor is not taking you seriously, just change your doctor. Like, literally, that's a lesson that I learned. Like, the moment you feel like your doctor is not taking you seriously, just change your doctor. Literally, always get a second opinion. That's what I learned. But anyway, I'm really hoping that we will sort out whatever is going on in my body, because I am so not feeling good about it. Like, I'm always bloated, like all the time. I have like stomach ache every single day. And also that's like one of the reasons why I didn't kind of like going out that much, because I bloat really badly. I just have this stomach pain all the time. And it's not really pleasant, to complain about it all the time. So I hope it's not a big deal. And I hope I can do something about it. And yeah, take care of your health, really. Go to the hospital if you have a symptom. Like, I've been going for 4 years, but I finally might get an answer of what the hell is going on. It's very difficult, like, really. I think, like, being healthy is something that we take it granted for. So that's it. That's my update. Yay, bye.